going on, guys? It is a beautiful day out here in the Mower Medic 1 garden, and I need to crank my weed eater, and we're going to start doing some weed eating.
The Mower Medic 1 garden? You mean Don's garden?
Yes, your garden. And I'm going to weed eat, but I hadn't cranked my weed eater since last year, and let's go do a cold start on this, and let me show you what I use for fuel. Guys, whenever I store my two-strokes, whether it be a weed eater or a chainsaw or my little mini tiller that runs on two-stroke mix, I like to use any brand. It doesn't have to be this brand, but buy this stuff that's no ethanol, and it's got a shelf life of just, it's ridiculous, the shelf life. Couple of years opened, and like 4 years not opened. Somewhere I was reading that, but I don't think it's on this particular can. But it just lasts forever, and what you do is you fill up your gas tank with this stuff, and then you run it, fill it up, and just forget about it. So when you get ready to use the machine, come springtime, it's not springtime yet, but we've got a lot of rain here recently, and therefore we are going to do some weed eating today. But I need to do a cold start on my trimmer. Let me show you. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pump it just enough to where there is fuel in the bulb, and that's plenty. We're going to give this a full choke. And what this is an SRM, I can't remember the exact model number. Let me look. Oh yeah. I can't believe I've had this trimmer for like 20 years and I couldn't remember the model number. It's the same model number as my little mini tiller, which is a 210. Now this is an SRM 210i. It has the easy start on it. So let's go ahead and see if this thing will pop off. Let's see how many pulls it takes. Okay, switch on. Full choke and full throttle. There's one. There's two. There's three. It popped off. It farted. It's ready to be put on half choke. Off choke. Let's just see how much it needs to be thawed out. This is called flashing the choke. Whenever you crank one for the very first time, if you rev it up and it wants to bog a little bit because the engine's cold, you can just flash that choke and it'll get those juices flowing a lot quicker. Man, I just love these old gray top Echos. They just last and last and last. But yeah, guys, hey, listen, if you like this content and this helped you out, give me a thumbs up and smash that like button. Y'all have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you guys on the next one.